All right, so you're a day trader. Well, how do you improve? How do you get better? Well, we should all be trying to work on improving and getting better every single day so that we, much like athletes, as we're kind of putting in repetitions, we're getting better at improving and preparing ourselves for those opportunities and those moments where we can make the biggest impact. But let's talk about the best day trading tips. I have about 10 here. We'll just kind of go over very quickly. Number one is you have to limit your downside risk. You must always kind of approach trading with understanding that things can go wrong at any minute, at any time. So you really want to just keep your losses small and keep your profits larger than your losses, and really that's how you end up profitable. The downside is if you allow big profits to be stymied by large losses, or let's just say small profits stymied by large losses, then you will essentially be, in a negative P&L, and that's really where you don't want to be, right? So impose stop loss risks, right? Use stop losses, protect your downside, and understand risk management, and know that even when you're in a trade and everything looks good, just understand that when the trade is going against you, at some point you have to get out and get out swiftly. It's okay to be wrong. It's not okay to stay wrong in a trade. All right, go for smaller, wins, right? So remember to book profits, but try not to swing for the fences. And the reason for that is because day trading, most of the time stocks are consolidating. They're really not making big moves to the upside or downside. Let's just say 15 to 20% of the time they're actually moving. So you really want to make sure you get in and out. And that's really up to the individual. You may trade in and out within seconds, like scalpers do, or you may be in within a few minutes, or maybe even a few hours, or throughout the day. But the point is, take the meat of the move and get out. Um, Also, start small. So, when I first started trading, I started trading with one share. I really didn't care. I didn't have a rush to, go make a whole bunch of money. I just wanted to make sure I understood the process and I understood, you know, how the market operates. And I just really wanted to get an intuitive flow of how the market works. And so for months, I just traded one or two shares here and there. And what that really did is that helped me kind of understand, this is a low float stock. These volatile stocks, they move quick to the upside and to the downside versus, kind of a, medium range float stock, they tend to move a little bit slower. You can do a little bit more analysis and so forth. So start small, but then just know that you can scale up later because the same trades that you're trading with one or two shares, you can increase to 15 to 20 shares to 50 shares to several thousand shares, right? But start small. Don't go big too early. You run the risk of getting out of the trade before you even get into it, into the profession. So chart your own journey. Cut out all the noise. Don't compare yourself to others. Compare yourself to yourself. Start journaling. Right. Learn something new every single day. Right. Your experience will pay off. First, you're going to learn, and then you're going to earn. It doesn't work the other way around. Too many traders come into this business thinking that they're going to make money right away and not really understand the process or give themselves enough time to actually go through that initial steep learning curve. So, that kind of leads into patience, right? So this is a long-term game. Be patient. Learn, push yourself, be ambitious, but at the same time, you must be patient and not only with yourself and your journey, but also patient in trades and understanding, is this a good entry point? Is this good risk reward? Is the trade setting up or do I need to wait for it to set up? Treat trading like a business, right? You're going to have losses. That's part of the game. Just minimize those losses and try to improve your profits, right? Treat it like a business. If you're going to study every night for 2 hours, commit to that. If you're going to commit money to the trading business, how much are you going to commit? How much are you going to risk versus how much are you going to put back into the business? Trade volatile stocks. If you want to make money, too many traders sit in non-volatile stocks that don't move. Trade those volatile stocks. They give you huge upside momentum. And ultimately, be skeptical of everyone and everything. Be very selective. But most importantly, don't ever quit. Until next time, have a good day.